Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through the Liven app review. Is it worth it? We want to learn about the Liven app review and if it is worth it. The Liven app aims to help users improve their well-being by addressing procrastination and other related issues. Now we're going to look at the breakdown of its features and potential benefits. The key features are 1. Personalized plans. This app tailors its approach based on user-specific information and goals. 2. Focus on procrastination. It specifically targets procrastination, a common challenge for many individuals. 3. Interactive content. Liven offers various interactive elements such as exercises, quizzes, and personalized plans. 4. Goal setting. This app helps users set realistic and achievable goals. 5. Progress tracking. It also allows users to monitor their progress and track their accomplishments. Those are the 5 key benefits or features. Let's look at the potential benefits. 1. Increased productivity. By addressing procrastination, users may experience improved productivity and efficiency. 2. Improved focus. The app can help users develop better focus and concentration. 3. Reduced stress. By achieving goals and overcoming procrastination, users may experience reduced stress levels. 4. Enhanced well-being. By improving productivity and reducing stress, the app can contribute to overall well-being. Let's look at its potential drawbacks. 1. Costs. The app may have a subscription fee which could be a barrier for some users. 2. Limited customization. The level of customization may be limited compared to other productivity or well-being apps. 3. Effectiveness. The effectiveness of the app may vary depending on individual needs and adherence to the program. Overall, the Liven app shows promise in helping users address procrastination and improve their well-being. However, it is essential to consider individual needs and preferences before making a decision. This review is based on general information and may not reflect the specific experiences of all users. I hope this review provides a helpful overview of the Liven app. Do not forget, it does not replace professional help. Please still seek professional help. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell so you get latest videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.